A seed allocation is finally here. So congratulations, guys, for those of us that finally get this allocation, because a lot of us did not get the allocation, including myself. And if you look at this very message that was dropped yesterday, it's talking about system overwhelmed. So their system is currently overloaded and we need to be very patient with them. Not only that, the claiming process is a little bit tedious and need to go through it step by step and don't make mistake, because if you make mistake you may lose your seed token. And one thing that is also very important here is, you see this very information, if you have issue that is pending, you can get and reach out to these guys, which I believe every one of us have seen this message probably. And another thing here is I want to show you something very important. I definitely knew that I'm not going to get the seed allocation. Okay, I knew it. So if you click on airdrop to get your allocation, I click on this very page, you see this very message comes up, and this was the eligible criteria. Okay, and the first one, which is the Telegram subscription, and the next one here, which is the second one, add seed to your name. I decided not to add seed to my name. Okay, a lot of things have been attached to my name over time. If you read this very message, oops, what a pity, you are not eligible for the seed airdrop this phase. And I don't mind, because I did not really put in any effort to do the seed airdrop. I joined the community, do few tasks. That was the first phase of it, and then I left it. So I decided not to do this because I knew even though they gave me anything, it should not be more than $8. Okay, and that is the reason why I did not do this. As it been, I put in my effort, I could have done this as well. So congratulations to all of us that did this airdrop and you've gotten your allocation. Please carefully claim your allocation, because this is very important. The seed airdrop is going to definitely pay some person and it will not pay some persons as well. If you put in more effort and you get a good quantity of the allocation, that is very cool. I'm very happy for you guys. For those of us that are on the Paws airdrop, we can see that things are gradually wrapping up and there is a new tax. If you go to this very end section, as usual, you discover that this tax right now, which is under the partner section, just do this tax, especially for those of us that have not reached that 300k mark. And this is very important tax to do, because this airdrop is wrapping up very quickly, especially as we enter into next month, February. And this tax, if you click on this very first one to do this tax right now, I'll click on this and then it will bring this up. This is another play to earn, and I will just join this. I will click on next. So if I click on next and then I will click nice, okay, let's cook. From here I will go back to my Paws page and check. So once I check this, then I can now claim. Okay, it's available for me to claim. It's a simple tax to get plus 5,000 pounds. Then the next one is this very one. Just join the X page. This very one right here. If you click on it, it will open the X page for me to join. Definitely, I'm not going to join. I will just open it, and once it loads, I will just go back and it will be available for me to claim. That is what I'm going to do, because definitely you don't need to join everything. You don't need to join everything. That is just that. And if I go back here, you see that it's available for me to claim. I don't really need to join. And you too, you don't necessarily need to join. So these are the two tags that is available right here. Just do these two tags and get plus 10,000 pounds. It's very important, especially for those of us that have not reached that 300,000 pounds mark, so that you can get a reasonable chunk of this very airdrop during allocation and token distribution. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all the crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates, news, day trading and investing strategy. Thanks for supporting this channel.